The following video will guide you through the steps to record your students' reading using Scholastic Literacy Pro Library. Firstly, log on to your Literacy Pro teacher account. Click on the Books link in the menu bar. Select a title that you would like your students to record themselves reading. Do this by clicking on the Assign button below the cover image. Then click Assign again in the pop-up window. Choose the student or students who you would like to assign the title to, then click on Assign to Students. Students can only record titles that the teacher has allocated to them. This gives the teacher complete control over the number of recordings that get sent. When the students log in, they'll be able to see thumbnails of every book their teacher has allocated to them. When the students select one of these books, it will open in a new window. Down the bottom of this window, there will be a button that says Send Audio Recording. Please click Allow if you see the Flash Player settings box. To start recording themselves, students simply need to click on the Record button at the bottom of the window. They can use the arrows at the side of the window to navigate through the pages of the text. Once they've finished reading, click Stop at the bottom of the window. When the teacher next logs on, they'll be able to listen to their student recordings by accessing their messages. Once the message is opened, it's simply a case of clicking on the play button. Once teachers have listened to the recording, they have the facility to reply to the students with a text message. Thanks for watching. Please contact your Scholastic Territory Manager if you require further support.